Hello guys, it's that Dividend guy. Happy Thursday. Hopefully everybody had a better trading day than I did. We're down, but we're not down by much. Just hope you guys had a positive green day in the stock market. So let's take a look at the overall portfolio performance and then we'll break down the individual stocks. So for today, we only made about 16 bucks, give or take a couple cents here or there. So that's not too bad. We're pretty much trading flat, down a little bit overall, but not too bad. We're still close to 17, so not a huge loss there. On the week, we're down $184. On the month, we're down 35. It's been a while since all three of those have been down. Actually, that's kind of surprising. But on the month, so again, short term, week, month, even 3 month to a year is short term. On the 3 month mark, we're still up 12%, up $1,800. On the year, we're still up over 2,600 or 18.31%. And all time since I started investing in August of last year. No, not last year, the year before. So weird. I always say last year, but that's not true anymore. 2 years ago, well, a year and a half ago, in 2018, April 13th, we are up 16.6% or $2,400 and some change. So not too bad. Next, let's take a look at the individual stocks. Altria, 98 shares, 45 to 30 for average cost, about 30% of the portfolio. We are down 14 bucks today. Total, we're up $568 or 12.8%. Coca-Cola is at 56.83. 17 shares, $51, about 6% of the portfolio. We're up 2 bucks today, up $97 or 11.2%. So that's pretty good on Coca-Cola with only 17 shares. AT&T, 62 shares at 31.10, 13% of the portfolio, almost 14, up 12 bucks today. Total, we're up 432 or 22.41%. AbbVie at 89.26, 60 shares, average cost is 72.22, about 32% of the portfolio. Today, apparently it traded sideways, but total, as long as we've been investing in it since we bought it, we're up $1,022 or 23, almost 24%, 23.5%. That's phenomenal with AbbVie there. SKT, this one was a smaller position, one that I opened recently with the Altria Dividend that I got. So they're trading at 15.41. We have 5 shares at 15.29, so it's a little higher than when we bought it. Today we're down 35 cents or 0.45 or half a percent. Total return, we're at 58 cents or 0.76%, so about 0.75% there. WBA, again, smaller position, only 1 share, only 0.32% of the portfolio, so not a big, a third of a percent there. 54.60 is our average cost, and we're down a cent. Today, we're down 18 cents total. ExxonMobil, 68.90. We're down even more on this one. 29 shares. The average cost is 73.50. Almost 12% of the portfolio, down $5 today, 0.28%, down 133.42 or 6.26%. So this is probably what's really making the portfolio go down because it's the biggest loss that we have. Then there's Target, which this is funny. So only have 10 shares at 87.68, almost 7% of the portfolio. This is one of them that I do want to beef up. Down $6 today. Not really worried about that. Total return, we're still up 287 or 32% on this one holding. So today Target was down a bit, but that's fine. According to the watch list, since we've gone through the stocks, there's nothing that I haven't added. I do want to get into Disney really bad. I love Disney. The other one I really want is Starbucks. I want Lowe's really bad. I want Procter and Gamble. I have such good businesses on my watch list. But if I had to pick three, it would be Kimberly-Clark, Procter Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson. Those would be my three that I'd pick right now if I had to pick. Anyway, so I haven't added anything to my watch list. So sorry, I know the videos have been shorter, guys, because I haven't really been messing with my watch list. I'm trying to be a little stricter on what I add to my portfolio. But I do believe I showed you guys, but I will show you again just in case. I do have a dividend payment from AT&T, $32.24. And an AbbVie payment coming in $118. They did boost their dividend from $107, I believe, to $118. So I got 11 cents per share. So I got about an extra $6.60, which pretty much replicates my Coca-Cola dividend completely. So it's like I doubled my shares in Coca-Cola just from the AbbVie dividend increase. Plus, I got an increase from AT&T, and I've already got an increase from Altria as well. So that's phenomenal. So that's what we're in this for, guys, is the dividend growth and the compounding of that growth. So it's great to see it in action, and it's awesome to be able to reinvest. The only issue with next month is that I'm getting paid by stocks that I feel are overvalued, not necessarily to initiate a position in them. Meaning AT&T, I would be comfortable buying AT&T at these prices. It's just my average cost is so low compared to what the market's average is right now, or what the market's asking for the stock. So I'm staying away from AT&T. And same story with AbbVie. As you can tell, it's at 89. I bought it at 72, so that's over 10. Over $10 a share that I'm going up, and it's already such a big position. That's the thing too. AT&T is already 15, almost 15% of the portfolio, and AbbVie is almost 32% of the portfolio. So allocation wise, I'm going to try to lower those stocks down to like 15%. I don't want a lot of money in any individual holding. It's just I had the money and I saw an opportunity in those stocks to buy it cheaper. To buy it cheaper, I felt like, than what they were worth, and it's paying off. The only issue with that now is they've hiked up since I bought them, so I'm gonna have to find a new way to deploy that money in the market. Not a big deal. Anything that is undervalued, as in Walgreens, seems to be, and so is ExxonMobil. I could put it there, but I kind of want to branch out and get a different company. So I want to get a new company in the portfolio. One that I do really like, because obviously it's at the top. Realty Income is a monthly dividend payer, and I believe that they just boosted their dividend as well. So that's monthly payment, so that would boost up every single month of the year, pay me 12 times. So I might just buy one of those. And I have like $102 coming to me, I think, and I could just buy that and store, or that and SKT. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of where you want that $102 to go. Shoot me a DM on Instagram at that dividend guy. I'd love to talk stocks on there with you guys, or tell me down in the comments. It's even easier. Um, I just love conversing with you guys. Love the comments. And honestly, I'm trying to build a bigger portfolio, but as you can tell with the stock picks that I've chosen, I can't get much for 102. So I could get a GPC, but that's it. I could get one general parts, or genuine parts, sorry. Or I could get, like a couple BP, a couple Verizon, one Starbucks and some change. I could get a few Bank of America shares, one American Water share. See what I mean? So I'm pretty limited. I can't go very far down these lists because I have them organized based upon price. The only issue I'd have with BP here is that I already have a pretty significant stake in an oil company, and I don't want to be too leveraged to one sector. So I will add BP eventually. I know it's cheap, and that would make it really easy to buy up a few shares easily and increase my dividend income, my passive income. But the issue is I don't want to be over leveraged to one sector. So if you guys see a stock down in my watch list that you feel is in my price range, so like I said, Bank of America, American States Water, Starbucks, Verizon, BP, what else do we have down here? Genuine Parts, or Store, or Realty Income. Let me know. There's 8 options down there. There's 8 options there, but let me know where you guys want the money deployed, or where you think I should put the money. I'm always open for ideas. Like I said, DM me on Instagram, or just tell me in the comments. Anyways, like I said, I hope everybody had a great day investing today, and I hope your portfolios are green. And remember, it's so important, guys. Don't get too caught up in the day to day. I know I do daily videos, so I get shook up sometimes, but you got to remember, a day doesn't matter in the stock market. A week doesn't matter. A month doesn't matter. 3 months doesn't matter. A year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. I'm looking at this portfolio in such a long term view that even if I was down $2,600, it wouldn't really bother me that much, guys. Okay, so keep in mind, with day-to-day fluctuations, stuff like that, corrections in the market, don't get too wound up about them, because over the long term, the market goes up. So anything you lost, if you stay in, as long as you don't sell, you're not going to lose. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button for my channel, that Dividend Guy. Remember, when you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. I've been getting so many subscribers and it's driving me crazy. Like, consistency is truly key. And I'm really seeing it work here. I've only been on YouTube for, I think, a little over 3 months now, and I've already got over 100 subscribers. I'm up to nearly 6,000 views. I mean, that's really good. It's 2,000 views a month. It's just crazy to me that so many people are interested in, my take on stocks and my dividend portfolio and how it's growing, how I'm doing, investing, stuff like that. It's really awesome that I have a place I can go and just talk about it. So, thank you guys so much. Remember, like I said, hit the subscribe button if you enjoy dividend investing content, and let me know what stock I should put more money into. I'm always open to ideas. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Friday tomorrow for another dividend investing video. Take care. See you guys then.